Okay guys, we're on a day trip today, so the first part of the trip is Sayulita. I have here been before, but the video didn't come out all that good, so I'm doing a short one here now. We are actually going to another place called Rincón de Guayabitos, or something like that. I can't remember what it's called. Liz look at what's about called, actually, she remind me. But I'll have a quick look around here while they've gone for coffee and see what's on offer on this Sunday afternoon. Okay, we're on Sayulita beach now. I'll have a quick look around here. Mostly I've seen videos on Sayulita, so I'm not going to spend too much time here. I'd rather wait till I get to my other destination, which is a little bit more out of the way. It's about 2 hours from Puerto Vallarta. I'll speak more about it when I actually arrive there, but this is the pit stop here now, so I'll have a quick look around. It's 11 AM on a Sunday morning. It's all changed from last year. It's all Mexican families here, which is the same as in Puerto Vallarta, to be honest here. It's probably now in the low season, it's their time. And I met some ones last night, had a bit of a chat with them. Living here, they're from Mexico City, but they've come here. I believe it's not as warm there, so there you go. Oh, that's nice over there. I've got about an hour to spend here, so I'll do a few bits while I'm here. As most of you probably know, Sayulita is probably more of a surfing, hippies kind of town. It's all very nice there in the high street there, town centre. There are a few surfers over there which we'll probably go look at later on. Nice place to be on a Sunday morning. Right, so they can make themselves back to town. A quick walk around there. Got the wrong clothes on, to be honest, so I need to change later on. It's very warm. Orlando, give us a high five.
Hello. Hi guys.
Okay guys, we're in 2 hours from Puerto Vallarta, and I'll have 2 hours from Puerto Vallarta. We've just been to Sayulita this morning, and now we're in Rincón de Guayabitos, or something like that. I will see later now, I should do the correct pronunciation. But we're here on the beach, on a few beers, me with Orlando and Liz, Well, I'm just nice to drive us down here today. He's now getting a massage on the beach. Been here 10 minutes, not even pissed, and he's having a massage on the beach. Oh. And the sand's hot. So let's find out exactly where we are. Liz, where are we?
What?
Where are we? I did try and pronounce it. Tell us where we are. Rincón. Rincón de Guayabitos.
Rincón de Guayabitos.
So have you got that? That's exactly where we are. We'll not be seeing it again. So it's just to say we're on the beach. And here's Orlando. Getting spoiled rotten. I'm sure he's fallen asleep. Oh, snap it for a good on video. Wiggy click. Yes. Oh, come down la rock. Oh, look at that. Gracias, amigo. Okay, guys, back home we probably have a hot dog, maybe a burger. Here we are in Mexico, and it's all over different ball game. Orlando, what are you eating, mate?
Chapulines.
It's chapulines.
They are like crickets. Like fried crickets.
So there's
Very yummy.
oh, here we go.
Ah! Or you can have plain guacamole.
Okay, what can I tell you a little bit more about this beach? It's been a day here now, very nice. It's all Mexican families enjoying themselves. Not many tourists here at all, or international tourists. There's a few boat trips, fishing trips. There's an island over there, which you can do a trip to. We haven't been into town yet. I think we're going back to we're going to San Pancho afterwards. By the sounds of things, but again, it took about 2 hours to come here. I would never have seen this place if it hadn't been for Liz and Orlando. Orlando's good enough to drive us here. One of Liz's friends, I believe. But you know, it's knowing somebody local and having come to these places which you probably never have even heard of. It's been really great for me. You know, here for 2 weeks. Now I can see something a little bit more different and where the family life in Mexico is these years. But no, it's been really good. Very, very, very good. Was it nice? Was the water warm?
Yeah, it was.
I thought you just swim to that island at one stage. Liz will be coming on a few videos going forward, yeah, and some adventures.
That's the plan.
Yeah, so you heard it now. She said she's going to come.
That's the plan.
Look out for her on future videos.